Hey guys, before we get started in today's video, I just wanted to say thank you very much. Happy holidays. I hope everybody's having a safe and sick-free holiday. We did have some sickness in the family, and it is a constant barrage of trying to take care of everybody, myself included. If you can hear my voice now, I'm still suffering from a little bit of sickness. It kind of ran rampant through the family, so it put us down for a little bit. So don't worry, rest assured your orders are coming, okay? I can't promise that they'll be there by Christmas, but I will do my best to make sure that they're there at least after the new year within reason. If you're not familiar with the wait times are typically 3 to 6 months. Right now I'm working on July, so June, July, if you had an order in, you're getting your knife done now, so that is clearly a 6-month wait time. If you don't want to wait, there's nothing I can do for you. I'm sorry. You are looking at everybody that works in Three River Blades right here, right now. I am making sure that we can get the good quality blades that you desire. It is a custom boutique shop. I don't hire any other personnel other than when I outsource the stuff that I need to outsource. So I just want you to be patient and understand before you guys purchase that it will be at least a 6-month wait time. Again, I will do my best to make sure that you get your products as soon as possible. I want you to have your stuff as much as you want you to have your stuff. If you get Cerakote options, it will take a little bit longer. All right, this is a 1/7, and this is this is Charles. Charles from Springfield, Virginia. This is your blade. We're going to be working on this blade today. I'm going to make sure that I get it in the mail to you, hopefully by the end of today. I'm going to put a handle on it that you requested, and of course a really nice sheath. So you will have this by Christmas. Thank you, Charles, for being very, very patient. Guys, dropping emails is not going to make things move any faster. It's just the time that I need to get things done. That's all it is. All right, guys, so thank you very much for your support. What I need you guys to do is to like, subscribe, put a comment down below, and you can also become a Patreon member. It only costs you $1 a month. If you want to support the channel, you'll get to watch videos like this and other videos sooner than later. Also, I just dropped an email discount code for the month of December. If you're not on the mailing list, you are not getting that code. So very simple, go to threeriverblades.com, go all the way down to the bottom. First name, last name, email address, hit send. Check your email for a double opt-in. I think we use MailChimp Monkey, and then you're on the mailing list. So anytime I send a discount code out, that's the only place that you're going to get it. All right, guys, let's kick this sucker off. this is the 1/7. Charles from Virginia, your knife is done. It is Cerakoted in green as per your request. It does have a green canvas micarta as also you requested. He wanted everything in green. I was able to get it Cerakoted. It is super sharp. Okay, so super sharp. Super sharp. All right. And what I had done also is I added a little bit of OD green 550 cord and a nice Kydex sheath with the Tech Lock device. That's also what was requested on the website. Feels good. Doesn't fall out. This thing is ready to go. It is an absolute beast. Okay, so if you want a 1/7, go to 3riverblades.com, look for the 1/7, throw it in your cart. There are other options up there, right? If you just want the regular standard version, it will not come Cerakoted. Cerakoting does take some time. I have to send it out. But if you wanted a different color of Cerakoting, you absolutely could do that. Give you a little bit of a close look at the handle. I use brass pins just to give it more of that military style. I'm assuming that Charles was in the military or is still in the military. Most people that like the OD green or green color style are. This is over 1/4 of an inch thick. So if you're looking to do some really, really heavy duty chopping, then you definitely want the 1/7. It does have a couple different handle holds, so you can hold it up here. It does have jimping in the back. All right, you could use it in this fashion, which is the regular Crusader hold, or you could slip on back and hold on to it and really, really swing into this, all right? Again, Kydex sheath, you can get either with the belt clip, or you can get it with no clip. You could also get it with a molly lock. So if you wanted to put this on your pack, kind of makes a little bit more sense since this is 17 inches of blade, okay? All right, guys, that's about it. Thank you very much. Please go to 3riverblades.com. Check out all the blades that I have up there. Check all the links that I have down below. Become a Patreon member. You can watch videos like this before anybody else, and it only costs you $1 a month, and it also helps support the channel. Also, check out the links to my other channel, 3 Rivers Survival and 3 Rivers Kydex. Thank you very much, guys, and as always, stay safe.